Hey, it's Roberto Miki again, and we've got another great hand question of the week. It's number 29 in our series of questions for medical students, residents, and fellows studying for the boards or in-training exams. Well, let's get right into it. It's a simple question. Which skin cancer is the most common in the hand? A. Melanoma, B. Basal cell carcinoma, C. Squamous cell carcinoma, D. Malignant eccrine spiroadenoma, or E. Merkel cell carcinoma? Well, here's your chance to pause the video so you can think about the question and answer it. Due to the amount of sun exposure to the hand, it is a common location for skin cancer. Squamous cell carcinoma is the most common skin cancer in the hand. Melanomas are a dangerous skin cancer, and any subungual dark lesion could represent a melanoma in the hand. Merkel cell carcinoma is overall a rare skin cancer, only 2,000 US cases in 2018. Malignant eccrine spiroadenomas are also a rare cancer, but of the sweat glands. And basal cell carcinomas are the most common skin cancer overall, but not the most common in the hand. So which skin cancer is the most common in the hand? Well, the answer is C, squamous cell carcinoma. Well, hope you learned something. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you at the next one. Remember to like and subscribe so that we can continue to support this channel.